Welcome to the channel. Let's dive in.
All right, let's go. What's up, everyone? Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Vince, and welcome to the channel. As you can see behind me, there's a Corolla and an Impreza. Watch me as I build these cars with the help of my son, Sean.
What's up?
He's going to be helping me work on cars, so let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to be doing some wheel change. I was able to pick these Star Shark replicas for $400 with decent tires. Only one of them got a curb rash, but overall I think it's a good deal. We're going to be installing it in the Corolla. You got it. Close this one. Close that one.
Okay.
Come here. No.
Hey, push this
Alright, that's it. Alright, so now that we got the car pushed out, we're gonna go ahead and raise it up and change the wheels. What's up, Marco?
Okay.
Alright, let's go. That's it. That's good, Sean. Alright, pull the thing.
Let's go to the other side.
All right, guys, we finally got it done. We got it. It looks nice, don't it?
Yeah.
That's a lot better compared to those regular wheels. I'm happy with the result. It drastically changed the overall look of the car. That's all for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we will see you in the next one.